What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on 3 interesting altcoins that I'm currently watching and on which, if certain conditions are met, I am expecting a big pump. So if you are interested about the exact coins and about the exact entries that I'm planning to take here, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. The first altcoin that I will show you in this video is having ticker symbol KEYA. Right now, you can see that we are forming here this triangle, which is like a neutral setup. But in my opinion, there is like higher probability that the next like bigger move will be up, because you can see that from, let's say, a long-term perspective, let's say for the past couple of weeks, this coin is in the uptrend. But like from a long-term perspective, this coin is really undervalued. So what's the main setup here? So right now, I am waiting for a breakout and support confirmation. This is like the most important thing here. And if these conditions are met, I will be thinking about opening a long position. The possible take profit targets, well, you can use these two bearish order blocks for it. The first bearish order block is between 0.904 and 0.881, and the second one is between levels 1.07 and 1.05. So the exact trade can look, for example, like this. As I said, I want to wait here for that breakout and support confirmation. This is like, yeah, extremely important. Stop loss you can put somewhere back to this triangle, but in my opinion, put it at least under this like previous lows. So let's say under the level approximately 0.782. First take profit target can be either this strong high or this bearish order block, or of course if you want you can choose some, let's say, lower take profit targets, and the second take profit target can be in this bearish order block, because you can see that historically we don't have here that much liquidity. So after breakout and support confirmation here, there is pretty, I think, high probability that this next move will be pretty fast. So yeah, this exact trade can give you a risk reward ratio around 12, which is in my opinion absolutely insane. And if you will take at least, let's say, some of the profits here, the risk reward ratio will be around 9, which is, yeah, still pretty good. So I highly recommend you to watch this current setup. The second coin that I will show you in this video is SUI. Also, we are currently forming here a triangle on the 1 hour chart, which is like this time is like a neutral setup. So keep in mind that still there can be like a breakdown resistance confirmation, and we can go on the lower levels. But in this video, I will stick with the long scenario. But keep in mind that, of course, after breakdown resistance confirmation, you can open here a short trade with, let's say, last take profit target in this like lower bullish order block. But anyway, you can see that for like, let's say, a past, let's say, couple of weeks, it's the same as in the previous coin. This coin is in the uptrend, but in the long run, this coin like didn't have some crazy pump, so it's like still waiting for it. So right now, if there will be a breakout and support confirmation, there will be an opportunity for opening a long trade. Keep in mind that we are on only 1 hour chart, so this time we are not speculating for, let's say, like a big move. So stop loss you can put again back under this like previous lows, and like even the last take profit target you can put to this bearish order block, which will give you like estimated, let's say, profit around 12.6%. But if you will use, let's say, higher leverage, this can be pretty insane scalp trade, because the risk reward ratio is 4.4, and you can take here just one take profit target. And if you want to have, let's say, multiple take profit targets, you can also take some of the profits under this previous week high, because there is some probability that after breakout support confirmation we will just go swipe the liquidity there and the price will continue down. So yeah, I probably would recommend you to take at least some of the profits under this week high, then move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so it's like not possible to turn your profitable position into a loss. And the last coin that I will show you in this video is Pepe. You can see that we were forming here this falling wedge on the 4-hour chart, and after like a breakout and support confirmation, we are currently having here a pretty crazy pump. Like crazy pump, it's like only 4% almost of the net profit, but yeah, it's a decent pump. Right now, I think there is definitely not a good opportunity for opening a long trade, because if we take a look on the, let's say, risk-reward ratio, you need to put your stop loss, like, it will be best to put it just under this, like, previous strong low, and the last take profit target, well, you can put it to this bearish order block, or to this second bearish order block. But still, you are aiming here for, like, 50% of a net profit, and the risk-reward ratio is still only 4.3. But the scenario that I'm speculating here will be another retest of this previous support line, because you can see that if we will enter, let's say, after a support confirmation, after another support confirmation here, and you will put your stop loss just below this previous strong low, you will have risk reward ratio like 8.25, which is in my opinion, yeah, really good, and the stop loss will be like only 7%, and the estimated, let's say, net profit around 57%. And even if we will take some of the profits here, it will be still pretty good risk reward ratio, because yeah, it will be, let's say, around 6. So this is another possible trading scenario that I'm currently watching here. But there is another reason why I am currently showing you this coin. You can see that between levels like 0.0 something 115 and 0.0113, we have this resistance area. For example, you can see that here it was like an important resistance, here it was like important support, the same as well, here it was like resistance, here again resistance. So, you know the drill. So if there will be right now a support confirmation, you can see that we are currently breaking this level, and there will be like a support confirmation, then I think that there can be another opportunity for opening a long trade, but this time it will be like, let's say, more risky, because in this case you are putting the stop loss just below this like resistance area, so there is pretty high risk of liquidation, but the stop loss is only 2.37%, and the estimated net profit is around 26%, so the risk reward ratio is like 11. But yeah, in this case it's really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you can take, for example, here, then here, then here, then for example here, and then definitely save some profits to the last take profit target. But in my opinion, this setup, if you, let's say, want to trade with higher leverage and you want to have like good risk reward ratio, this setup is pretty insane. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group where I am sharing the analysis every single day. But yeah, this will be all from me for today, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow in the next video. See ya.